Buying a product on Clrxplore is simple and secure. Here's a quick guide to get you started. Search for your product. Go to Clrxplore.com and click on the search bar. Type the name of the Clrxplore product you're looking for. Your product will show up in the search results. Select and buy the product. Once you've found the product you want, click on it to open the product page. Then, click Buy Now. Fill in your billing details. This ensures that your order is processed correctly. You'll also have the option to sign up for the newsletter to receive discounts and the latest offers. If you wish, you can add an order note, optional, for example, a special request or a message for the seller. On the right side of the page, you'll see the order details showing the product name, seller, and price. Below, you can choose your preferred payment method. We offer payments through PayFast and Clearstash Wallet. If you have funds in your Clearstash wallet, your balance will be shown. If it's enough, you can use it to complete your purchase. Agree to terms. Don't forget to read through our privacy policy. Make sure you tick the box for "Would you like to review your order?" to leave feedback on the product after your purchase. Once you've reviewed everything and read the terms and conditions, click the box and press Place Order. Order confirmation. After completing your order, you'll receive a receipt. This receipt will include order number, date, total amount, payment method, product information, including how many downloads are left and the download link. Download your product. Once everything checks out, click on the product name under the download section. Your product will start downloading, and you'll have 2 more downloads available in case you lose the first one. You'll also see a thank you note from the vendor. That's it. Enjoy your purchase and be sure to leave a review once you've had a chance to experience it. Thank you for choosing Clrxplore.